Ricky, come on. Ricky, I'm not. Come on, for the camera. Come on.
Go, man.
If you run over a screw, I'm gonna kill you because those are brand new tubes. Yeah.
That I gave you?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh shit!
Nice glide. All set.
Bet the bar's back, Tad. Huh?
Go shooting.
I know. Whatever. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I can't ride with these bars like this no more.
You have to put on the outside wrench.
I didn't get that.
That did not sound good.